Welsh, Brackley, Brandon Burrows, Alex Titchener, dy werth mentro fanna falla. Edrych am Brown, mae'n rhydd i Nathan Brown! I roed y Fflint ar y blaen! Callum Brackley gafodd y cyffyrddiad ola. Mi oedd Brown yn ei chanol ei, ond Brackley yn curo Tibbets. Spittle. Mendes yn gry. Man bach i. Mae'na gardyn coch yn fan hyn i Mendes. Dim amheuaeth o gwbl yn meddwl Mr Aaron Jones. Penderfyniad hawdd gan y dyfarnwr. Oedd be ar wyneb y ddaear. Ddoth dros Lasana Mendes y fanna. Hartley. Spittle yn benderfynol ar ei olo. Dyma Brackley i fewn at Nathan Brown. Doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll. Dyma Andrew Brown. Mae dal yna i Brown. Mae yna i Brackley. Andrew Brown. Feddyliau bod hi'n ddwy ddim i'r Fflint. Smith o cyffyrddiad trwm sydd a Titchener. Trwm gyda fo hefyd. Smith yn ei dwy'n i a Leslie yn ei chanol i hefyd. Leslie yn bwydo Venables, os a le am yr ergyd ar y droed yna. Edrych am Henry Jones at Hayes! O'r cyffyrddiad lleia! Oedd hi angen yn fanna gan Mike Hayes. Dan Andrews. Argi Crydd o'r peniad gan Andrew Brown. Arbediad ardderchog gan Josh Tibbets. Os a honna di selio'r fuddugoliaeth yn sicr. Andrews ar gig gornel, y peniad gan Brown i gefn yr hwyd, a dyna selio'r fuddugoliaeth siawns. Andrew Brown, dim gobaith y tro hwn i Tibbets. Y Fflint 2, y Bala dim. Niall, huge congratulations, fully deserved victory.
Yeah, I think so. It's a game realistically we've got no right to win, but I think we've delivered a great game plan, if you like, in terms of how we set out. And again, it's not a fluke, do you know what I mean? The way we've set out and the way we've put a game plan together to play against Bala Town. We've not just beaten, we've been better than them, and we've kept a clean sheet against them, which is a remarkable achievement in itself. So no, got to give the lads huge praise. We've set them out to do a job, and they've delivered it fantastically.
Yeah, it was difficult. You know, it was always going to be difficult coming here against a team that's doing really well in the Cymru Alliance, and the conditions weren't great and the pitch and that, but no excuses. You know, they've done quite well today, but you know, sending off altered the game a little bit, but we've bossed all the second half, and you know, they've had one shot a goal, a saved header, and they've scored two. But you know, we've got to take our chances when we get in there. We should have been better in the final third, but you know, it wasn't good today.
You're on a great run in the league, 7 wins on the trot. You're still in the cup. What's your priority, the league or the cup? I
think next game's Cwpan Bay. That's the priority. We want to take it one at a time. We're on a good run, but we know all the highs, and there's highs and lows in football, so you know that you can easily be shut down the week after. So we've got to make sure we prepare properly. I watched Cwpan Bay last night, so that'll be our next game, and that's all we'll look towards.